मस्तक ऊंचा करके कहते हैं हम हिंदुस्तानी। आज हमारा वृत्तांत अपनी पूरी शान से याद दिलाता है इतिहास के कुछ पन्नों से, कुछ लम्हों से। हमें मिली आज़ादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदानी से। सलाम है ऐसे वीर सपूतों को जिन्होंने आज़ादी दिलाई है। भारत माता के चेहरे पर फिर हंसी लौटाई है। गर्व है मुझे मेरे भारत पर, इस वृत्तांत पर, इस इतिहास पर, इसकी आन पर, इसकी शान पर। आज वृत्तांत के इस उत्सव में हम सब आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं। Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I deem it a great pride to welcome you to our 4th Annual Day celebrations, Vrittant. A distinguished professor, a creative writer, curriculum advisor, a research scholar, an illustrious educationalist. Today, we are privileged to have among us an eminent personality, Professor Prithvi Yadav, Director of Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies, a premier business school in Hyderabad. Sir, your presence here will undoubtedly motivate our young students. On behalf of the management, staff and students, I extend a warm welcome to you. Thank you, sir. A nation will be known by its people, and the people will be known by their education and their culture. We have with us today a man who has tremendous faith in his dream. It is his commitment, prudence, and visionary approach to school education that has made him one of the most recognized persons in modern educational sector. On behalf of our principal, staff, and students of DSC Manikonda, I welcome Shri Madhusudan Rao Garu, our chairman, DSC Group of Institutions. Thank you, sir. Ms. Shilpa Ravi, our vice chairperson, clearly recognizes the importance of inspiring young minds and challenging young individuals with a caring international environment. Her unflinching commitment to make excellence in education has become a reality. We are delighted to welcome you to this momentous occasion. Thank you, ma'am. She lives a dream of turning schools into a center of world-class learning and education, an implementer of excellence, a force that awakens. Ms. Rama ma'am, our secretary, DSC Group of Institutions. Her determination and passion has been indelibly influenced by her astuteness and bounteousness and has left a benchmark in the field of schooling. We are glad to welcome you, ma'am. Thank you. If a job's worth doing, it's worth doing well. Our young administrator, DSC Attapur, Ms. Rashmi Shenoy, has a passionate belief that each individual is unique and special and constructively helps people stretch their current abilities and knowledge, helping them to become more valuable to the organization and to themselves. We welcome you to this joyous occasion. In the realm of education, one name that stands out like a shining beacon is that of our academic director, Ms. B. Shashikala ma'am, who has created a strong organizational culture at DSC Group of Schools. Fondly known as Shashi ma'am, her regard and respect for traditional values and openness to modern ideas blended perfectly with her admirable personality. We welcome you, ma'am. Mr. Augustine Thomas, the dynamic principal of DSC Attapur, shares a great responsibility to fortify the image of the school in order to create and educate a new generation of our school and offer them the opportunity for a brilliant future. His lively presence ignites us all towards a passionate commitment towards our school. We welcome you, sir. Ms. Veena Murthy, ma'am, Principal of DSC Banjara Hills, is known to inspire and challenge students to develop a love for learning and ensures that they have the right knowledge, skills, and values to cope up with a rapidly changing world. We are indeed proud to welcome you, ma'am. Ms. Lakshmi Gauri, ma'am, Headmistress, DSC Attapur. We are delighted to have you with us today. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. I'm sure you feel the same sense of pride that we share in belonging to this noble educational establishment. Thank you for gracing this occasion. A realistic and reliable administrator and academic director, Mr. M. Augustine of Secunderabad Public School, who's known to take every opportunity to develop people to allow them to learn new skills. We are delighted to have you with us, sir. I also welcome the staff of our sister concerned schools, DSC Attapur and DSC Banjara Hills. Thank you, ma'am, for gracing this occasion. It is a great pleasure to welcome this outstanding group of educators to Vriddhant, our 4th annual day celebrations. For every success we attain lies a manifold of efforts of our committed faculty, staff, and students. Headed by Ms. Hemalata ma'am, Principal DSC Manikonda, and a strong support extended by our Vice Principal, Ms. Amrita Rao. I'm sure this is a precious moment for all of us at DSC Manikonda. Life is a celebration of awakenings, of new beginnings, and wonderful surprises that enlighten the soul. Dear parents, a very warm and special welcome to each of you. The 10th of December 2016 is going to be a spectacular evening, an evening you will always remember. DSCians of Manikonda will radiate the spirit of Indianness. Please sit back and enjoy India in all its glory. Thank you and Jai Hind.